Hi and welcome. I'm going to share with you the recipe for a Malaysian fried chicken in this episode of Rempah Ratus Kitchen. It is chicken that is marinated with a shrimp paste called belacan and then fried. Come, let's check out the ingredients for the belacan fried chicken. I'm delighted to share this recipe for belacan fried chicken with you. To make it, I have 500 grams of skinless bone-in chicken pieces that I am now going to marinate. Firstly, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, followed by 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Next comes 17 grams of roasted belacan paste. Belacan is a fermented shrimp paste popular in Southeast Asian cooking. It has an extremely pungent, almost fetid taste and will take some getting used to, but those who do end up loving it. 1 tablespoon of neat curry powder, 1 teaspoon chilli powder, half a teaspoon dark soy sauce. This is a sweet caramel tasting sauce. A quarter teaspoon light soy sauce, the juice of 2 kasturi limes, also known as calamansis, and lastly 1 tablespoon of cornflour. Now rub all these ingredients onto the chicken pieces. Sprinkle some water to moisten the marinade ingredients. This will make it easier to coat the chicken pieces with the marinade. Now that they are adequately massaged, we let the chicken pieces rest for 30 minutes. Pour enough oil to fry the chicken pieces in a wok and heat the oil on a medium flame until it's hot enough. Add the chicken pieces one by one. Fry the chicken in 2 batches because you should not overcrowd the oil with chicken pieces. If you crowd the oil, the temperature of the oil may drop and this will increase your cooking time. It's been 2 minutes. We'll now turn the chicken over. Let me tell you more about the problems with crowding the oil with more chicken pieces or anything else that you fry. Crowding the wok will get the heat trapped under the chicken pieces and create steam. This will prevent your chicken pieces from becoming brown and crispy, especially if you're frying them with skin on. You want your chicken fried, right? Not steamed. It's been 1.5 minutes. I'm now removing the chicken pieces from the oil. Please adjust your flame and fry the chicken pieces until they are done. Now for the second batch. I'm increasing the flame now but will return it to medium when the oil becomes too hot. It's gone 2 minutes. Let's turn over this second batch of chicken pieces. I'm reducing the heat to medium now. It's been 2 minutes since we turned the chicken pieces over to their flip side. Now let's remove the chicken pieces from the oil. As the drumstick is bigger than the other pieces, I am leaving the drumstick in the oil for another 2 minutes, 1 minute on each side. It's been a minute, so I'm turning the drumstick over to the other side. Another minute has gone by, so let's turn off the stove and remove the chicken drumstick from the oil. The chicken pieces took about 3.5 to 4 minutes to cook, while the drumstick took 6 minutes to cook. Here's the Belacan Fried Chicken. That's all from me for now. Thank you for watching. Until I see you again with another recipe, stay safe. Bye.